In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email group in Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use group, often called a list in Yahoo, so you can email multiple people at once with just a few clicks. First, sign into your Yahoo Mail account on the Yahoo Mail website using your usual login details. Make sure you're on the main inbox screen so you can access your contacts. Next, open your contacts. Look for the contacts icon in your Yahoo Mail interface. Depending on your layout, it may be on the left sidebar, or up on the right side near the top. It typically looks like a small silhouette or address book. Click it to open the Contacts panel. Inside Contacts, go to the tab labeled Lists at the top. In Yahoo Mail, email groups are managed here. This is where you can view any existing lists and create new ones. Click the Create List button to start a new group. You'll be asked to name your list. Pick a clear, descriptive name you'll recognize later, like Project Team, Family Updates, or Book Club. A clear name helps you find it quickly when you're composing messages. Now add people to your group. You can type email addresses directly into the list, or you can select from your existing Yahoo contacts by checking their names. If you have a large contact list, use the search field to find people faster. Take a moment to double-check spellings. Typos in email addresses will cause messages to bounce. Once you've added everyone you want, click Save. Your list is now created and ready to use. You don't need to do anything else here unless you want to make changes later. To email your group, compose a new message as you normally would. In the To, CC, or BCC field, start typing the list name you created. Yahoo Mail will suggest it. Click the suggestion to add the entire group. If you want to keep recipients' addresses private from each other, use BCC. Add your subject and message, and you're good to send. Anytime you want to manage or edit your group, return to Contacts, open the Lists tab, and select your list. From there, you can adjust the name or update the members as needed. Changes take effect immediately, so the next time you compose an email, the list will reflect your updates. That's it: quick, organized, and efficient. Create your list, save it, and enjoy sending group emails without retyping addresses every time.